Hello, who's growing up with me? I hope that you're doing well. I want to show you my project, a countdown time. Uh, I made it with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is hours, minutes, then seconds. We can add by this button or the same thing by this button. We have a bonus with this with the minutes and seconds. As you see, we can start by this button. I don't know how made these two numbers, but at least I still learn. I'm still learning. We can stop by this button, then return to the beginning by this button. I made it that with all those code, as you see, this is really wrong, especially the JavaScript codes. That you liked it. Don't forget and see you soon.